everything, bro. Seriously? Come back. More stoppages. Dropping Judy on top me. Reset while you pass. Keep coming back. Keep
kiting.
coming up. Tell me your cooldowns. Come up. Try to hold them
Ready,
on the choke. Hold them on the choke. 5 seconds. I'm gonna engage. Keep going back. It's fine, bro. It's fine. They're not passing the choke. We can hold there. Just hold. Just hold. It's fine. No, I can't. Just hold. Just get ready. Southeast in 5. After the night armor, use shoes and get ready. On top me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. More damage, bro. Seriously. That was big, man. Keep coming back. Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going back. It's fine. More stoppages. Keep going back. Bro, somebody seriously missing. We're getting massive engages. Just hold. Keep coming back. Again, keep going back here. Watch out. They can engage. Nice. Keep coming up. Defensive. Turn right now. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Headbutt. Kill this. Almost. Keep going back down the choke.
Yo, help, Spike. Spike.
No, GG. Let's reset.
Okay.
GG.
Lost too many.
Hold on, life curse has problem. My cooldown is not the same as yours, friend.
Sorry?
Life curse has problem. I can't use my E on your E.
Why?
The cooldown, bro.
How much? By how much?
Gotta get in the reset. That's why the life curse is not supposed to play demon. He's supposed to play royal jacket.
Exactly.
And
Yeah,
assassin.
I can't play demon. I was like, what the fuck?
Okay, then you keep your demon just in. Don't reset
It's
your
okay.
demon.
Don't worry about the life curse, bro. Worry about hitting the W.
Yeah, exactly. Fine.
The W.
Yes.
Armor piercer. Yeah.
Purge is important, right?
Okay,
The
just
W,
hold
the
there,
armor
hold there,
piercer.
hold
It's
there,
not.
hold there.
They don't have.
That was
They
still
don't have
good, but
anything but
yo,
Halal, I think
can you come back?
It's
Everybody come
important
back.
when they put the what's
Come
called
back.
on it, the rebound.
It's fine, bro. Why are we not killing? Come back, East. Why are we not killing? Tell me. DPS.
Can you,
Any problem you guys are
like,
facing?
see,
You're
Halal,
gonna
one
kill.
more thing.
Halal, just be calm and collected.
When
You're
someone
gonna
is
kill. You're
inside
getting
us,
closer and
don't
closer.
go
Keep
too
coming
deep.
East.
Try to
Too many.
shell.
Guys,
Breaking
as soon as you drop your
Keep coming
damage, if you're a DPS, as soon as you drop your damage, go
Yo,
right
watch out.
back
They
where you
kidnap.
came
They're gonna
from.
kidnap.
That's where I am. Follow me.
Keep coming south.
bro.
Keep
You
coming
can-
south. Keep
and
coming south.
look
Yo,
at the
keep coming
skyline.
south. They're gonna shallow engage. Get ready.
They
Shallow on
didn't
top me.
engage.
5,
They failed.
4.
They
After this
failed.
night armor. After this night armor.
No, you can disrupt it, bro.
In 1. Just on top me. Just drop this. Come back.
So,
Come back. Come back east.
Halal,
Come back
come
east.
southeast. Let me tell you something.
Don't chase.
Come-
Just keep
everybody
coming
go
east. Keep
Halal,
coming east.
when
Keep
he's in
coming
the
east.
night
Watch
armor,
out.
if
Keep
you
going
drop
east.
all your damage, you disrupt his night armor. I don't know if you
Keep
know
coming
that.
east. Keep coming east. No, but he'll have resistances, bro. Keep going up.
Hey,
Not
we're
east.
up,
Not
we're
east.
up.
You don't
Not east.
understand.
Hold them on the
Give
choke.
us
Hold them on the
something.
choke. Get ready.
Factor.
Looking
They
south.
missed, they missed, they
Hold
missed.
hold
We are all
engage.
into
Hold their engage.
They
Hold
missed,
their
they
engage.
missed.
Hold their
Ready.
engage. It's fine, bro. What the hell? Too many people
If I'm
talking.
hold.
Keep coming northwest. Keep coming
Inside,
northwest. Keep
people
coming
inside
northwest. Up the choke. Listen. Go up the choke. We're gonna look on this choke. Keep going up the choke. Let them pull. Let them pull. Let them pull. Funnel them. in,
RJ,
Funnel
if you
them.
have
in.
guys.
Gonna fast
Bye.
engage. Keep coming.
Fuck
Keep
this.
coming up. Keep coming up, bro. Keep coming up. D-tanks also come up. Let them come
Carving,
up. Let them come up.
It's extended. It's
Gonna do.
extended. Hello, it's extended. Just
Keep coming down, southeast, southeast on the carving in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just on top me, this one guy.
It's a
He's
night
killed.
armor. It's
Good
a
job.
night
Keep
armor
going
now,
back. Keep going back. We killed one, no? Or he went back. Keep going back. Keep going back.
Nice.
Again, up the choke, reset. Up the choke and reset. Reset. Tell me your cooldowns.
We're up.
Ready.
We're up.
Okay,
Aaron,
get ready.
yes,
On the choke in 5,
Ready,
in
in
4,
red.
in hold. They engage. Come down.
People coming from
Just
behind,
hold.
people
Just
coming
hold. On
from
top me.
behind.
Yo, hold. Just hold. I'm gonna call for fast.
Kill this
engage.
guy.
Take all the resets.
Come
On top
on.
me. Yo, keep coming down. Keep coming down. Just come down. On the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big club. More damage. Come back. So why didn't they come up?
You
Keep
can
going up.
Keep going,
Dropping.
guys.
Yo,
Where the
just hold.
fuck's
Come up.
DPS?
Hold them on the choke. Yeah, Qs and Ws in there inside you. Keep coming up. Next
go
choke.
to the next choke, go to the next choke.
Next choke. Keep going up. Next choke. So keep going up. You guys are doing good. Keep going up. Just keep going up. Keep going up. They wanna engage. That's an engage.
They failed.
Walk through them. Get ready. Shallow on top me on the healer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Go back.
Can someone heal, please? Someone heal the front, please.
Keep going back.
Look at the guys inside.
Duties on the choke. Yeah, Qs and Ws and keep
Look
going.
at the guys
Through
inside
the choke. Qs and Ws on people inside you.
They're
Qs and
inching
Ws on
up
people
inside.
inside you. 5
Hello,
seconds.
hello.
I'm gonna engage on them. Get ready. They engage back. Keep coming
We're up,
southeast. On
That's
top
right,
me in
that's right.
5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top me. Big club. Almost, man. Come down south. Come down south.
Keep cutting. They have engaged.
Yeah, fine. Keep coming south.
Jack that.
Keep coming south. Keep coming south. It's fine.
Walk,
Get ready.
walk,
Gonna look
walk.
on the choke. Tell me your cooldowns. There's a
Carving out.
4 seconds.
out.
Okay, come down, southeast. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Okay, this is fake. Get ready on top me in 5, in 4.
Not yet. Wait, bro.
Just
Wait.
keep
Not yet,
going
no.
back. Fuck, they are brawling me, bro. Keep going back. It's fine. Keep going back. They're gonna engage. That's an engage. Engage. Come up. Keep coming up. You get ready. Shallow on the T-tanks inside you in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1 on top me. On top me.
Ogaz is low, Ogaz,
More damage. Comes out. Okay, I can't wait, bro. I have to be the first to engage and be kite.
Come
Okay,
back
reset
and then reset,
everything.
bro.
Come back. That's right. It's fine.
Come back,
Just
come back.
Bro, I thought he was gonna walk in and engage on it. I'm playing 2 roles here. Halal.
Just
Halal.
hold,
I'm playing
come back,
space and stop.
south, bro, clear, come. Keep coming south. We're gonna look shallow northeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1 on top me, full party, almost, man. Come down, come back,
Nice.
come back. Yeah, keep coming back. It's fine. Keep coming back. Nice stoppage. Good. Keep coming southeast.
Guys, we can't go
Good
back and
purities. Keep coming southeast. They're gonna engage on the choke. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. South up the choke southeast, and we're gonna look. Up the choke southeast, and gonna look. Come up the choke. Up the choke.
Then yes,
Keep
then
coming
yes,
up. Keep coming. Get engaged. Come down. Keep coming down.
Come up.
Get ready.
Okay,
Yo,
look.
just get ready. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top me. Now kite back. It's fine. Kite back. Keep kiting back. Keep up the choke and reset. Nice hold first. Just up the choke and reset.
Nice Horfrost, guys.
Tell me.
Nice Horfrost.
Tell me.
Kill this fucker. Kill
Yo,
this
listen.
fucker.
Kill this guy, bro. What the hell? Seriously,
Problem,
he's
bro.
inside you. Just keep
Engage
rolling.
on him.
Kill him. Engage on
You can
top
look on
in
the
5,
stairs.
4, 3 on the stairs in 2, in 1. Just engage. Can you engage? Now come back. Seriously, come back. Come back. Keep coming east. Dropping Judy on me. Reset and keep going
Bro,
east.
why are you going
Drop
there?
Judy. East. Just go east. It's fine. Just do it. Yeah, it's fine. Just go east. See this D tank
Bro,
inside
just
you?
get inside.
Qs and Ws. Keep going east. Down the choke, and we look on the choke. Yeah, down the choke and we look on the choke. Keep coming down. Get ready. On the choke in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1 on the choke.
Then
Nice,
get
good
the
job.
same
Keep
time.
coming back.
Then get the same time.
Yeah, I know. Keep coming back. Defensive.
They were
Fine.
Come down. I know. Keep coming down. You hold. Come up. Qs and Ws on the
Kite.
tank. He's
He's
still
in the
inside.
front, please.
This D tank. Qs and Ws. Spread and keep killing. He's still
He's there,
inside.
he's there.
Still inside you. Get ready. Shallow on top in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top him. Kill this, bro. Kill this. One guy. One guy. Come back. Defensive. They're gonna engage. That's an engage. Come for an engage. Keep coming back.
Nice,
Reset. Yeah, man. Nice. Good job.
Ready.
This comp is
Go,
working.
go, go.
Yeah, keep coming up the choke. Not keep coming east. Keep going. Get ready. Now hold there. Get ready. Fast engage northwest in 5. Use your boots in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1 on top me. Just on top me. Come back now. Come back. Almost. Come back.
Looks much
Keep
better.
coming back. Keep coming back.
That's the engage.
They failed.
Defensive and keep coming up the choke. Up the choke and reset over. Tell me your cooldowns.
Ready,
Keep
ready,
going up.
ready.
Get ready. Down the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just engage on top. With them. Just go back. Go back. People got stopped.
Keep
Keep going up. There's one D tank and stopping everybody. After the GA, keep coming up. We hold the next choke and we're gonna engage over there. Okay? Gonna
Get on
engage
that
on the next choke.
motherfucker, bro.
Just
We're
go
up.
up. Go defensive. Keep going up. It's fine. Keep coming up. Dropping 2D. Reset over here. Get ready. I'm gonna look. Keep coming up. Let them inch up. Let them inch up. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Keep coming up, stay up. Get ready. Shallow on top me in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just shallow on top me with this carving. Just kill him. Keep going back up. Create massive distance. Keep going up. It's fine. Keep going up. Keep going up. Northeast. Keep going up northwest.
They're engaging.
Keep going up northwest. They're gonna engage through the GA. You get ready. Defensive and headbutt on. Or you just keep going back. Get ready on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on top me with everything on top of me. And
GG.
Almost wiped them.
No man.
Yeah.
We know Demon in the choke.
No, man. Yeah, I need good
You
demons.
should have
Fucking
back,
too much.
bro.
Fucking Demon, you fucking dumbass, bro. How can you not
See, the
Demon
thing-
there? So obvious.
Yeah, man. On the chokes, demons have to get ready, man. They're gonna
How the
engage.
fuck do I die, bro? I never fucking die in arena.
We need more distance. We need more distance.
I don't play fucking Demon next
Thing
time,
is,
bro.
if I didn't engage at that point, right, they were already over us. Mount up, everybody comes out.
I ran out of it, bro.
You are the only one. We have to see other party.
Should use boots
Yeah.
away.
Oh, you're doing better this time though.
I'm doing because my tanks can kite now. Last time they are with knight armors, everybody.
But what you need to do now, Halal, when you get a fast engage up,
just come down.
actually engage on all of them. And
Come
stop
down.
running.
The thing is, that's the thing. One
When
D-tank
you have an
is
opportunity to
stopping.
engage on all of them, you're running for some reason. I
The
don't know
thing
why.
is, one D-tank is stopping, bro. I got massive clumps, but I didn't kill. I'm getting 1 or 2 clumps, people are killing. I don't know why.
So your GA,
But yeah, I'm gonna try
look
again.
for that one D-tank. The GA needs to look for that D-tank and GA him before you engage.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, GA, that's it.
Offensive
Okay,
GA.
Gonna say ready.
That's it.
They say
Yeah,
no
I'm gonna say
zombie.
ready.
What's up with that?
Yeah, you can't.
I don't know
Okay,
what
no
the fuck
zombie
that
means
is.
you can't re-gear once you die.
Well, I never died.
You know, they said unlimited regear. Go.
Okay, fine then.
Oh, we can
Yeah,
re-gear.
keep coming down, keep coming down.
Watch
Defensive,
the
defensive, defensive, defensive,
Defend.
defensive. Come down.
No, fake.
Come down
Fake.
southeast, come down southeast. Keep coming southeast, 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 southeast.
Done,
Southeast,
yes.
southeast, defensive up, defensive up.
That's
Get
right.
ready, shallow north, shallow on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just engage, just engage, just engage. More damage, more damage, more damage. Almost.
Heal Shubham, heal
Keep going
Shubham.
back, keep going back, keep going back, keep going back, keep going back. Keep going back. Defensive and
Yeah,
keep
get
going
guys.
back. Yo,
Okay,
hold on this choke, hold on this choke, hold on top of me. Tell me your engage, tell me your countdown.
Ready.
Okay,
Ugachi, okay?
Okay, get ready. Gonna fast engage very soon, okay? Just hold on. Keep
Then
going
we are-
northwest on top of me.
Now.
Northwest, northwest. Keep coming up northwest on top of me. After the G, you're gonna look, okay? No, keep coming south, sorry. South, northeast. Go northeast now. Go northeast. Gonna look on the
Carving,
choke.
carving.
North the choke. Yeah, kill this Qs and Ws on this guy. Qs and Ws on this guy.
Carving,
Qs and Ws.
Oh,
Qs and
wow,
Ws. Shallow
wow.
on top of me in 5. Just hold. He ran. Keep going back. Defensive. Shallow on me in
Yep.
5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage. More damage. Almost. Nice. Good job. Keep going back. Gonna keep going back. Fine, keep going back.
Ready,
Gonna
ready.
go up the choke and we're gonna look. Keep going back. On the choke in 5, 4. On this one carving in 3, 2, 1. Just on top. On the carving. Keep going back. Again back.
Bro, you
Keep
guys,
going back.
DPS is
DPS
Dude,
has
that
to be
light
really
person
fast,
is-
man. We have to
bro.
do multiple engages shallow. But
Look at this.
let's
Look at this
keep
light person in
going
our back line.
Yeah, I need cooldown.
On
How
that.
much?
Keep
What's
moving
your timer?
northwest.
Keep going back. Yeah,
10
keep
seconds,
going
10
northwest. Keep
seconds.
going northwest. Okay, 10 seconds. Keep going back. You're gonna take
Look
the
at
next
this
one.
Scorpion. You gotta kill the Scorpion
Keep
now.
going up. Keep going on top of me in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Big clump. More damage. Keep going back now. Keep going back again. Keep going back again.
Yeah, get guys.
Hold. We're gonna look on this choke again. Okay, just hold. Come back. Come down first. Come down. Hello, come down first. Come down.
Ready.
Keep
Thank
coming
you,
down.
thank
Keep coming
you.
down. Come.
Ugachi, come back. Ugachi, come back.
Team, yo, heal,
I need heals.
heal Ugas. Get ready, come southeast, looking southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, back. Big clump, more
Big
damage,
fucking nasty.
please, wipe this.
And that's what a setup
Almost.
looks like, bro.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay, no, keep going southwest, no, come up, keep up, coming
They're
up
so
northeast,
busy
keep
with
coming
me
up
that they
northeast,
don't
keep coming up
realize you're
northeast.
already
Tell
reset.
me your cooldown, bro, I need cooldown,
Roll jacket, guys.
Look
Roll
at the
jacket.
Hodge in the back. Hold on. Look at the
Yeah,
Hodge in
fine.
the back. Look at the
Qs
Hodge
and
in the back.
Ws, keep Qs and Ws, it's fine. Now, yo, watch out, they're gonna engage. That's an engage.
That's an engage.
Defensive. Get ready, inside us, on the choke in 5, in 4,
Fine,
in
brother.
3, in 2, in 1 on top. That's full party.
Nice.
Bro, I'm almost dead.
Good engage,
Full
good
problem. Yeah, man, finally, bro. The end of the earth will pull something. Yeah, they say GG. Let's go.
Good. Finally. Nice. I'm gonna stay there longer so that they all try to engage on me, and
Yeah,
then
man.
they'll clump up. They all clump up trying to kill me, bro. It's beautiful. Yeah, we'll try that again.
Okay, Ugas, you can switch to cleric count and you can build.
Yo,
the
Halal,
engages.
when you see the D tanks behind you, go for them, bro. You already pushed
I
through
went, I
those
called
D
for you.
tanks. Listen,
I
listen.
called
You
for you,
pushed
man.
through those D tanks, right? And now there's a D tank. There's 2, 3 D tanks behind you. Push through them and then
Stopping
turn on
them.
them.
Yeah.
Bro, I am trying to do that. I'm trying to do maximum
not. You're not
shadows,
trying
but
to
I'm
do
not
that.
killing.
You're not trying to do that. You would kill
Like
because there's
one
nothing to
carving-
stop. You're engaging on all. of them.
That's also true.
It's okay. We'll try this again, where I get stuck behind and they fully
Okay,
focus
you
on
can
me.
change to
Like,
cleric call if you
carving
want,
is
honestly.
inching up way too much, bro. You can.
Yeah.
fuck around.
Yeah,
Killing it.
because they're being
Like, their
cocky.
carving
Come
should be
south,
punished all the
come south,
time.
come south,
Yeah.
come south.
Donsong, go artillery. Donsong, can you go artillery?
Bro, I can't kite with that artillery, bro.
Yo,
Exactly,
hold on.
exactly.
Hit over the wall right here. Over the wall right here, bro.
I'm
You
gonna
can kill
try.
a lot.
I'm gonna try. Hold. Keep coming southeast.
You see their carving
Gonna
right
look.
now?
Southeast. Look at the Hodge in 3, in 2, in 1. Just on the Hodge. Come back.
Yeah,
Come
nice.
back.
Bro, what the fuck?
Someone
Who
bopped him, bro.
bobbed him?
Keep coming up. Keep coming on
What the
northeast.
fuck?
Come up
My
northeast. We're gonna
bad.
look on the choke again. Come up. Shubham, come up. Help Shubham.
Ready.
Keep going up. Get ready. After the GA, on top of the GA in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full party. More damage.
No engage, Halal.
Keep coming up.
Susam,
I'll
Susam.
Help Susap.
I'm good.
Help Susap.
Roll jacket.
You were saying
Keep
something.
moving.
Keep
Don't
coming
stand
up.
here.
You're gonna
Come
hold the
on.
next choke. Come up.
Okay, carving is up, carving is up.
Come up.
Ready.
Yeah, all good. Just come up. Bait them up.
Keep moving.
Okay, listen.
Tell me
now
when
we're
you do
gonna
a
use shoes
fake
and engage
knight
southeast.
helmet.
Okay, it's fine.
Tell me when you do a fake.
Get ready. Looking
Cardo,
southeast
cardo.
in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. Okay, they're already inside.
That's right,
Keep going
free
back,
engage
keep
on
going
those
back, keep going
motherfuckers.
back, keep going 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 back. It's fine. Keep going back, keep going back, keep going back, keep moving back, keep moving back, keep moving back. Keep moving back,
That's
keep moving
nothing,
back.
that's
Fake.
nothing.
Keep
Move,
going
move,
back. Yeah. Keep going back. Get ready. On the choke. I'm gonna look.
Then
Keep going up,
then
keep
get
going
on-
up, down the
down-
choke. Keep
and
going
get
down
on
the
the
They
front.
engaged on me,
down
they
the
engaged
choke.
on me, they engaged
Yeah, it's
on me.
fine. Come south, come south, come south, come south,
Now look,
south,
look,
south,
they're on me,
south,
they're on me.
keep coming
Go,
south,
go,
keep
go,
coming
now,
south,
now.
keep coming south, keep coming south. On top of me in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Full party over here. Full party.
Nice.
More damage, more damage, more damage. We are there.
Damage, where
You
is
spread,
damage?
you spread
you're
away,
too
spread
late,
away.
bro.
Get
You're
ready.
too
They're gonna
late.
engage on the GA. They're gonna engage on the GA. You get ready. That's an engage coming. They're gonna engage now. Okay, watch out. Watch out. Defenses get
Gotta
ready.
guard
Defenses
rules on
get
the
ready.
choke and
You
walk
get
through.
ready. Your counter is up. Stop them on the choke. Engage on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top of me. Just on the choke. Just on the choke. Just on the choke. Just on the choke and keep moving. Keep moving down. Keep moving down.
Look
Keep
at the
moving
guys
down.
behind
Keep
you.
moving down.
Draw those guys.
Keep
Don't
moving
let the
down. Keep
Harvey
moving
just
down.
sit there
Keep
like
moving
that.
down. Yeah. Keep moving
You
down
W
and
this
brawl.
fucking
Keep
card,
moving
man.
down and brawl. Keep moving 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 down and brawl.
Fighting.
Keep moving down. Defensive while you keep
Roll this
moving down.
carving,
Keep
roll this
moving down.
carving.
Defensive half
Engage on the
out.
carving in
Half
5,
back.
4, 3, 2, 1 on the carving only. On the carving. Keep going back. Keep going back. Nice.
He's
Good job.
killed.
Good
He's
job.
dead.
You killed him.
Good.
Keep going down south. Keep going down south. Keep going down south. Down south. Down south. Down south. Keep going down. Keep going down.
They're
Defensive.
coming,
Defensive.
they're
Defensive.
Wow,
Defensive.
all of you
Defensive.
are dead
Defensive.
there.
Defensive. Defensive. You all die? Everybody die? Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, everybody- a lot of people died there, yeah. Keep moving.
PvP died.
We said GG. We said GG. Just don't kill. Don't kill. Just say GG and move.
No
Come
mana.
northeast. No mana.
Yeah. I'm struggling with mana.
No.
Halal, you have to pay attention to what they're doing to me. And you'll get a much faster engage when they're all clumped.
Yeah. Yes. And the
We are
thing is, you're
kiting
too
too
ahead.
much.
man.
You're,
That's the
you're
thing.
running from tinks. That's what you're doing. Just so
We
you
are
know.
kiting too
I
much.
have to
We
kite,
are like very far.
Yeah. Okay. That's also true.
It's fine, if you're
let's
kiting
kite
that
because
much,
that's-
just do shallows. That's
Yeah,
also fine.
though we are getting
Fighting
multiple
that much
engages.
is
The
fine. I'll
advantage
just-
Fighting that much is
Pay
fine.
attention.
If you're getting free
On the back
engages
line.
over and over, that means you're getting 20-second engages. That
Whoever
means you're
is-
gonna
yeah.
bait their defensives, right?
So the good thing you guys did was you brawled out carving. So he was 60%. We got free engage. That's what we want. Okay, come back east. I'm gonna say ready.
Yeah, beat that
You
piece
watch
of
out,
shit.
watch out, watch out. Just
Bro,
say
that's
ready.
brawl collab.
Let's shallow engage. Okay, let's shallow engage. Get ready.
Okay.
On
See, he's
the
come
northwest in
here
5,
again.
4, 3, 2, 1 on top me, on top me, on top me, on top me, no damage. Almost come back. Look at the horse.
Marvin's
He's gonna
still
look at
back
you.
here.
Keep
It's
going
not
back. Defensive, get ready. Defensive, get ready. Dropping to
There,
yeah,
heals. Heals nice.
I've got
Keep
in, I've
going
got
back.
in,
Keep going back. Look at this D tank on inside you. Get ready. On top.
On the choke, on the
this
choke,
D-tank,
bro.
on
Are you
the-
crazy?
Keep coming up. Keep coming down. Keep coming. Let them up.
Good heal.
Let them come up, bro. Let them come up. Let them come.
Good
Just this D tank. He's gonna stop everybody. Come up.
The carving is inching up again.
Give them-
Carving is
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Just Qs and
Someone's
Ws.
stuck in
Qs
the
and
back
Ws.
there. Imposter
Yo,
dead.
who's stuck
Why is
so bad? bro?
imposter dying?
Just hold. Get ready. I'm gonna look west very soon.
if
okay?
you're a DPS and
I'm
you're
gonna
there,
fake.
you're
This is fake. Okay,
bad.
this is fake. On the choke again in 5, 4, 3, after the GA in 3, in 2, in 1 on top me. Just on top me. Now go back.
Defend.
It's fine. Go back. Keep going back. Defensive. Keep going
I
up.
stopped
That's
all
fake,
of them.
that's-
Keep going back. Nice,
Nothing
good job.
to
Keep
defend.
going up. Tell me your cooldown throw. Get it. They're gonna engage on the choke. That's an engage on the
What
choke.
the fuck?
Man, that's
Guard
fuck.
Where's your
cool,
guard
man.
God.
They got all of us. What the fuck?
Yeah, no guard rune. They fucking full wiped you.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
passed
man.
through the
What
chokes,
the
you passed through the
hell?
guard rune.
That's so obvious. Hello. Every choke, one guard rune. It's like 15 seconds, no?
They freaking
No, it's like fucking not 15
We
seconds.
want
it's
a
less.
word and we are actually giving them the words, man.
Yeah, they are.
Imagine them shouting in their comms right now.
I don't think they're shouting actually.
That's why, bro. I have to kite. Ugats. I think you'll have to change. That's a one-time thingy. Just keep kiting, man.
Keep cutting and hitting. We were doing fine.
Keep kiting. I
Bro,
can't
the
stop.
thing is, their DPS are so far behind, and they're all coming from one spot.
That's good.
Like
That's
all,
good.
all
Actually,
you need
That
is
means
one guy to
why-
stop them.
That no, the good thing is like if we kite, we. they'll
I mean,
never reach
I
us,
don't
no?
understand
DPS.
why Donsong is not going artillery. He can just brawl out the
Bro,
carving.
we
no?
need to
Bro,
kite, bro. How can
kite,
I fucking
bhai,
artillery,
what?
bro?
तो ये
Keep
boost
staying
boost buff देके kite
Get
करेगा.
ready.
अरे हाँ भाई.
Watch out. They're looking. Get ready.
What
Get
am I
ready. Come
supposed
down.
to
Come
do?
down.
I'll do later, I'll
Help
do
people not.
later.
Listen.
ये
Clear
क्या?
comms. Clear comms. Get ready. Shallow on top me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this carving. On the two people. Come back.
भाई, ये
Keep coming
carving
back.
नहीं
Why is he
मारेगा।
not dying, bro? Why is he not dying? Keep
Because
going
he
back.
used
Keep
the
going
Guardian
back. Qs
armor,
and
bro.
Ws.
That's
See
why
Qs
he's
and
not
Ws.
dying.
You watch out. They're gonna engage after the guard rune. Nice, good guard rune. Get ready. On this guy in 5. You're engaged up.
Wait,
Sorry.
wait.
Okay,
Freezing.
come up. Just come up. Qs and
No,
Ws on the
no,
hodge
no.
again. Qs and Ws on the hodge. Look at their night armors. One guard rune, please, and go up.
Hit the
One guard
hodge.
runes and go up. Go up. Get ready. Looking back. Shallow south in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. Keep going up. We killed one. Almost.
Kill that
No.
one, yeah.
Yeah, we killed. Keep going up the choke. Get ready. They're gonna look on the choke. Okay?
Yeah,
Keep going up the choke. Defensive.
That's engaged.
Bro, same thing twice. You got
Go up.
forward.
Go up. How many people we lost? Keep going up. Keep going up. Tell me your cooldowns. Keep going up. Tell me your cooldowns.
Ready.
Okay, get ready. I'm gonna look shallow on top of me. Southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2. No, on top of me. Nice, we killed one. Keep going back. Keep going down the choke.
looking,
Watch
they're
out. They're gonna engage.
That's not engaged.
Defensive.
It's not engaged.
Okay. Now go back. Go down. Keep going down. Tell me your engage countdown. Engage cooldown. Guys,
They
hello.
will probably engage on W. They
Okay,
engage,
watch out. That's an engage.
Engaging now.
Defensive. They engage on me. Defensive. Keep going down. Get ready. Looking on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top of me. Just on top of me. Come back. Keep coming back. Why am I not killing, bro? Keep coming back. That hodge is so annoying. Keep going back. Dropping Judy on top of me. Reset and keep walking. Dropping Judy. Heals. Don't need more heals. Everybody. You guys are creating too
Move
much
back,
distance.
move back,
Stay with the
move
party.
northeast,
Keep coming
move
northeast. Keep coming northeast now. Come northeast. Get ready. Engage on top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 with whatever you have. Just engage with whatever you have. Now keep going northeast. They're gonna engage very soon. Keep going northeast.
Get to the next choke. Be careful. They're gonna
East,
try to stop on the next choke.
southeast.
That's
Hold,
not an
yeah,
engage,
hold
that's not
southeast.
an
Tell me your engage. Yeah, fine. Keep going. Your guard runes
They're
on the
gonna
choke.
look
Keep
now,
coming
they're
up.
gonna
Guard
look
runes on the
upstairs.
choke. Yeah, it's fine.
Ready.
Keep going. Just stay. Just hold. Yeah, keep going up. Keep going up southeast. Next choke again. Get ready. Looking northwest in 5. On top of me in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just shallow on this one healer. Come down. Southeast. Southeast again. Yeah, it's fine. Keep going southeast. You don't even have to look at it. You see cleric. Start moving. Keep going southeast. Tell me your engage cooldown. Keep going southeast. Cleanses. Nice cleanse. Keep going down. Guard room.
Five seconds.
They engage.
Get ready, shallow. Keep going up. Yo, just hold. Come south. Nice, fine. Come south. Just look at this guy. After this guy on top of me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1 on top of me. Big party, big fight.
Zero
What
damage.
the hell? Come down south. That should have been vibe, bro. Seriously. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Down the choke, and we're gonna look. Down the choke, dropping Judy on top of me. Get ready on the choke. After the night armor. In 5, in 4, in 3, on the choke. In 2, in 1 on top of me. Kill this two. Now go back. Keep going back.
Look at the guys all the way in your backline, Hollow. Yeah.
Keep going back. Qs and Ws on that guy. Yeah, I see. Qs and Ws on those guys. They're gonna look. That's an engage. It's fine. Keep coming up. Get ready. Qs and Ws on this D tank. I'm gonna shallow engage on him. Okay. Engage on top of him.
Ready.
5, 4.
They're hot.
Okay.
Damn.
That was quick. It's still better than last time.
भाई रे क्या
Okay.
रद्दी खेल
I need 1 gallon of water now. But yeah, good job. See, that's the thing. So one thing that we learned is like more than kiting, we have to make sure even the tanks have to stay with us. Night armors give value, but the thing is the tanks are not able to catch up after that.
We started dying when you stopped kiting, bro.
Bro, there was never a single issue for me to keep up with you. Ever. Just so you know. Okay?
The last fight it was.
Then why
This
did you
fight.
get engaged on so many times then?
Because I decided to stay there, so they engage on me.
So
instead
that's
of
your
engaging
problem.
on you. Yeah, I died 1 time. How many times did you die?
Okay, I'm
What do
gonna
you mean how many
change the
times did I
topic
die?
now.
I'm solo.
How many
Doesn't
times did you
change the
die?
fact, bro. As a team, we have
I'm
to.
I
Oh,
died
okay.
once. That whole fight, I died once.
Okay, I played D-Tank twice. I played DPS twice. I barely died. I learned every single engage. Go
Okay,
on,
I'm not
let's
saying
go.
you're
Gonna
bad
do
or
ward
you're
review,
good,
bro.
bro. You're acting like I
Can
died a
anybody
lot of
do ward
times. I died
review?
1 time.